Hi everyone. I'm going to explain about various types of errors in data profiling in this video. Data profiling involves examining and analyzing data sets to understand their structure, content, and quality. In this process, there are so many chances for getting errors, which can be classified into various types. These errors typically arise due to issues with data quality, completeness, or consistency. Here are some of common type of errors found during data profiling. We are going to learn one by one in detail. The first type of error in data profiling is called missing data. As the name indicates, it may have some null values. These problem occurs when certain data points are absent from the data set. For example, in a customer database, a missing email address or a phone number could render communication with that customer impossible. So the absence of data can lead to incomplete analysis, incorrect conclusion, or even failed business processes as critical piece of information are simply unavailable. So when you miss certain data, it is impossible to get the complete information. In this example, they have taken about a customer database in which if we do not have a proper email ID or if we do not have the proper phone number, it becomes impossible to contact the customer at right time. So this kind of data is called missing data. The next kind of data is inconsistent data. In this kind of error happens when you maintain records or data inconsistently. These entries do not follow a uniform format or structure. For instance, if dates are recorded as both date-wise first, then month-wise first. Within the same data set, it can create challenges when comparing or aggregating the data. So inconsistent data can acquire various fields like names, addresses, or product codes, making the data difficult to interpret or use in analytics. So the data has to be maintained consistently. So when we maintain inconsistent data, take it for example, the format of the dates can be recorded in different ways, which makes the analyst to compare effectively. So this kind of error is called inconsistent data. Then the third kind of error is called duplicate data. Now, another common error is duplicate data. This happens when the same data is recorded multiple times. In certain cases, we enter a customer database twice due to manual input error. This can distort metrics such as the total number of customers. When we have a particular customer's names more than once, then it will create a difference in total number of customers. So duplication lead to skewed results and in reports and analytics, potentially impacting decisions and increasing storage and processing cost. In the fifth type of error is called outliers. Uh, it is also known as anomalies. These kind of errors represents data points that deviate significantly from the norm. These anomalies may be valid or the result of data entry mistakes, such as a person's age being recorded as 2,200 years or a product price being a set of rupees zero. So it is impossible to be 200 years for a person's age and zero is not at all possible as a price tag. So these kind of outliers or anomalies can happen uh, by manual carelessness or these outliers can heavily influence averages and other statistical measures, potentially distorting the analysis. Then the next kind of error is called invalid data. This kind of errors occurs when the values in a data set do not conform to the expected format or range. Take it for example, a phone number containing letters or a future date of birth would be considered invalid. So future date of birth, it is impossible. A phone number must consist certainly 10 only numeric, not alpha numeric format. So this type of invalid error can disturb the whole processes, which is primarily depend upon the data such as calculations or lookups, leading to faulty analysis of system errors. Then the final type of error is called data type mismatch. As the name indicates, these kind of errors happen when the data does not align with its expected format. For example, a column that is supposed to contain a numeric values which may have text entries like not applicable, in short n bar a. So it is impossible to compare if it is like this. So these mismatches can cause errors during calculations or data processing, making it very difficult to clean or analyze the data consistency. So each of these errors presents challenges in maintaining high quality data. Identifying and correcting these issues during the data profiling process is essential for ensuring the integrity, accuracy, and usability of data in business operations or analytics. Thanks for watching.